In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows cannot find. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again error quickly and easily. So let's start the video. First, go to the Windows search bar and type File Explorer options. Then click to open it. In the window that appears, locate the drop-down menu next to Open File Explorer 2 and choose this PC from the list. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If the issue persists, right-click on the program that causing the problem and select Open File Location. Once the file location opens, right-click on the application file again and choose Rename. After renaming the file, press enter and this should resolve the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and don't forget to check out our YouTube shopping recommended products in the video description.